to create Pinterest pins with Adcreative.ai. So first things first, when you log in, you'll be on this page and you need to create a brand first. So all you need to do is click on create a brand. They give you up to 5 brands to have in your brand list. And really easy. You can either do it manually or just import it from a website. For example, I'll take this URL of clipmagic.com. I'll paste this in here, click on import brand, okay, and let this tool do its thing. In a few seconds, it will have a whole brand name, description, everything for you. And this is honestly very, very accurate. The logo, it didn't quite pick it up. So what we'll do, we will just go ahead and upload the logo right here. So I have it downloaded. Okay, I will confirm this logo. That's perfectly fine. Now I picked up brand colors. If you're happy with this, you can click on save and continue or use from one of the color palettes. So I'll just click on save and continue. And in the advanced setup, they also let you have, a connection with your ad account. You can do that with Pinterest as well. You just have to click here and they'll ask you to basically log in to connect your account. You can just go ahead and authorize that once you are logged in. Now, for now, I'll just go ahead and create the brand. So come here, click on create brand. And now our brand will be created. And then what you want to go ahead and do is pick what kind of ad creative you want. So this is a professional tool. So we'll stick to something professional, right? We will do a high converting ad. Okay, we'll do this one. You can come and look at others as well. But in our case, we're doing Pinterest. So we'll choose this. And now we have to pick a social media size. For Pinterest, it is 2x3, which is 1000 by 1500. Okay, pick this. And now go ahead and click on a next step. Now here, you can either come here and write your own main headline, punchline, call to action, and even select a call to action icon. But what I will do, right, you can come here and you can see different options. I will do this. I will click on generate text and it will generate something with AI. As you can see, it picked up my landing page, my service name. We are choosing a professional tone right here. And you can also pick your language. They have a bunch of different languages you can go ahead and choose from. I'm okay with English. And this is the product or service description, which it picked up just from the URL, guys. Now, our target audience is, of course, content creators. And this is okay for a call to action. I just come and click on save and generate. And now we basically need to give this tool just a few seconds. And here we go. We have a sample. Now, let's go ahead to the next step. This looks decent already. So the next step, you have to go ahead and choose a project name. This is optional, but you basically need to choose a background image. So come here, you can choose one from your library or you can search for images. And they have a lot of images in their database. You can type something in here or you can use their AI recommendations. What I'll do is let's do video editing. Okay. So I'm going to just search for this and we'll pick out a nice image. Honestly, this one is good. I like this. We don't have to, basically with this tool, you don't have to deal with that massive timeline. So I'll pick that one, honestly. So let's wait for this to load up again. Yeah, this timeline is brutal. Brutal timeline. We want to pick something that is more in portrait mode because we're doing Pinterest. So we'll pick this one right here. This one seems nice. And it will basically add this to our ad creative as a background image, as you can see. Now, all you want to do is come here and click on generate. Don't worry, it will look even better than this. We'll have 150 different versions. So just give this about 60 seconds and let's see what it comes up with. And there we go, guys. They have generated about 150 different ad creatives. You can go ahead and pick out whatever you like. For example, this one looks good. So you can come here and edit this post. Okay. You can do a quick input edit where you change the text, or you can do the creative studio editor where you can move things around. And if you want, you can just come here and click on download and it will automatically start downloading this ad creative, which you can go ahead and use, right? Let me also open this up for you and show you. The quality will be really amazing once I open this up. So here we go. Let's check this out. Here we have this opened. And honestly, this looks really good. As you can see, great quality. And it's really that easy and simple.